Hi, I'm Lauren with Westlake Royal Building Products, and today we're sharing some pro tips on our Wakaflex. Pro tip: Wakaflex's internal aluminum mesh is moldable, flexible, and stretches in both directions, making it ideal for complex details. Pro tip: Wakaflex is a UV-resistant, lead-free solution to flash all critical areas of the roof. Pro tip: you can make pipe flashings out of Wakaflex. First, you want to make a star cut for your roof penetration. Once you have your star cuts, next, slide your base over the pipe. Next, you want to form your flanges tightly to the pipe. Next, you can take a cut piece and form a sleeve. Next, you want to adhere your sleeve to the base. Finally, seal the sleeve to the base. Pro tip: tile flashing shall extend onto the tile a minimum of 4 inches on flat tile and a minimum of 1 inch past the crown of the tile of a profile tile.